If you're having no sound issues in your PC, let's see the easiest way how you can fix it. First of all, open the control panel. In control panel, click on view by and select large icons. In here, click on sound. In here, make sure to select this playback tab, and here you will find all your connected speakers or output device. Now this is the current speakers I'm facing problem with, so I'm just right clicking this speaker and clicking on disable. Once successfully disabled, again I'm right clicking and clicking on enable. Once it's re-enabled, right click the speakers and open properties. In here select levels, and here if you see this mute option, then must click this mute icon to unmute your speakers, and you can increase this speakers volume from here. Then go to enhancements tab. In here you have to click on disable all enhancements, then finally click on apply, click on OK, click on OK, and close all windows. That's it. Now you can easily use your computer speakers without having any no sounds problem. Thanks for watching.